Oh wow.
Yeah, well, we don't need to follow the order.
Ready? Get this one on, then we're going for that one.
There's 10 in every cup, so we've done 2.5 cups so far, so that's 25.
I'm not holding because I need to eat.
Oh, never mind, nearly 30.
Okay.
How do you feel about this, George? Same. Same.
This scroll was a lot stronger than you think. Ready? Right, get it in on that.
Try and do it further down on the line.
Get it down.
Straight line.
No, because
Right, bring it in.
otherwise it'll like squish and just pull everything. Because like if you get a concentrated line of it, it'll like split it in half.
We know.
Ready?
I'm waiting for one of these to just break.
We've already had some breakage. Just everyone else step in.
Yeah.
Remember,
That would be great. What about that? That's good.
All right.
It's still gonna be violent.
Come on, boys.
It's still gonna be far.
so this is cup 40. No, guys, take from the same cup. So put that one in.
Come on!
Which one?
Oh, how dare you!
What did you do?
All right, come on.
Whoa, that scared me for a moment.
Oh, did we need it?
Left them.
Right, go! Come on,
Alright, speed mode.
let's go. Speed run.
I mean, it's exploding.
Rick, you're out.
It will explode, but oh my god. Did it get whipped?
Yeah, try and like get them all in the same place as well. Remember.
Let's get
I'll
around.
help you since he's on this side. You help
Alright.
Let's get whipped again. Give me a second.
Come on. All right. Great.
You're not gonna get it. It takes like 100.
I've been videoing for a while. Words. English.
Fuck!
Language shake.
It doesn't hurt that much.
Guys, try and get it in the middle. Remember? Yeah.
Trying to get around here. Right?
That's not what it hurts.
Actually, like try and follow the marked line that's on
Just
it.
a shock. That one hurt though, because that was overtended.
I was trying to do it time.
All right, 2 at a time. All right.
You guys realize that like after
I don't want to be if it's
2 at a time?
This ain't gonna work. We got it.
Grab it.
All right.
You wanna come out?
Holding. All right.
Science fair.
What are we doing with this afterwards? Like, we're just gonna get rid of it now?
No, we're gonna eat it.
Fucking bomb.
Oh,
Does it go over us? As long as it's not wasted.
Hang on. Okay, can we like
It's gonna go over us.
slide them down a bit?
Bring him down. Bring him down.
Hang on. Can we like slide them down a
In
bit?
theory, he'll just snap
Like,
here.
roll
Okay, well, you want to get one on there?
You've already got protection.
I'm wearing protection now.
Nice. There's also this.
All right, Gamble, bring it in.
There you go. Wait, hang on. There's like.
Now, let's practice medicine.
Oh God! No, I don't want an animal.
I don't want to see one of them break and just like rip the entire
Let's protect
club on me. Let's get this started.
I kind of want
Let's
more.
get down to
Your
business.
examination.
To defeat the
Oh,
home. Wow, what?
melons.
So original, right?
It's not gonna
It's actually like getting thinner though. Like,
Come on, grub, do one.
remember, try and get them down really low. Okay.
Try and get him where it's not as thick as.
Yeah, leave it right there. Just go straight up and deal.
I've got better.
Yeah, that's all we're doing. Guys, can I just say something because I don't know who's got further questions out of you. I know Joy and Sam, if you can come in.
I'm filming at the moment, Sharon.
I'm not sure about
He busted.
Ah!
Got him.
Yeah, I'm about to bring my kids up to watch this experiment. I'll just go grab.
Brett has
still gonna be quite a long time away.
Yeah, like remember, get them down as far as you can.
Really low, like around the line.
Gotta get low.
Get them around.
Gotta get low. Got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the jeans.
What? Get your boots with the jeans.
Got the whole club looking at jeans. She hit the jeans.
Next thing you know,
Jeans.
Oh, great.
Whoa!
hey, get out of here.
Because it still holds her.
Guys, it hit
Yeah,
Dita.
not now.
It wasn't going to in the first place.
Remember,
Andy.
down real low. Hey, you gotta punch me.
Sam.
This is gonna end.
Yeah. That's what I.
Film the whole
Come on,
thing,
bro, get one
and once
on.
it's exploded, can you send it to me?
Yep, can do it.
Thanks, sir.
I already got
What do you want it
safety
sent over
glasses.
stretch?
I don't care.
Okay.
Okay, bro. Alright, grab one. Alright. Come on.
Guys, it's a two-person job. It's a two-person job.
Sam.
What? Oh.
Sam, out the way.
Sorry, Damo.
Let's put it on.
Guys, if we flip it upside down, do you think we can fire the top instead of the base?
Not at this point.
See how it's see how it's not like directly in the center? It's just
Yeah.
spreading out? It's not gonna pop into ages.
Yeah, that's kind of what I've been saying though, to like put it in the middle. Oh, hey, just hang on. I'll just scooch behind you, Jai. Ah.
How cool is that? That's what's that window?
It looks like bubble gum.
Bubble? Well, I was thinking more fairy floss.
Go touch it.
Yeah, I want to touch it as well,
I got
but
gloves on, so I can.
I can't because I don't have gloves on.
What does it smell sweet like lollies for, that window?
Ah! Give that back. That's mine. Put it back. It's mine. Thank you.
Maybe you get too compelling.
For impact.
Enjoy that, Sam.
Yeah, I'm actually. Damo!
This is not gonna end well. At all.
Okay, so what you need to do is grab yourself a rubber band, get a rubber band onto the watermelon, and then step back. You've got to keep.
Josh, can you like take a step to the right? Never mind.
Yeah, that wasn't right, but it was out of your way.
Right, who wants to put one on?
Safety glasses down there, better.
Yeah, everyone grab some safety glasses.
You're going to stay for the explosion.
Ah, you're not fun.
Come on, Sam.
I just realized I'm wearing white. I'm fucked.
Oh yeah.
I might be the only one wearing white now.
I got my green shirt on.
You'll survive while you're standing.
Yeah. Cause like I'm green like a watermelon, so.
Yeah.
Remember, get them down as low as you can. Hey, Jake.
Try and get the rubber bands all on top of each other. The more they go on top, the more they push you.
Parkour.
Yeah. So maybe some of you other boys can push their rubber bands down. Yes or no?
Campbell, do you mind taking like a step back, my bro? I'm sorry.
If we can try and just keep this, I'll just leave that recording.
Hey, just yeah.
Stop, Brian, stop!
Brian, no! You're walking in front of cameras.
Oh, Brian, you just got your butt, man.
So much of it.
Just before the watermelon explodes.
Back a bit, so you're not in front of the
We're hooping it well.
Remember to try and get the middle. Try and adjust those ones down. Yo, someone say my name? Okay. I didn't know there was a second Sam at this school.
I don't want to touch it when it like explodes.
How many cups are used so far? 5, so that's 50. Looks more than 50 though. Yeah, by the way, buddy, camera right there. Yeah.
You want to put a band on?
Hey guys!
Come on.
Guys, remember.
Scared, buddy?
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing soup? Campbell's soup? Good. Because if you weren't... Whoa. Slimy? What?
What?
Jai, could you tell, like, old mate up here to... Never mind, all good. Campbell, you're in the way. I'm sorry. It's actually a pretty good view from over here. Unless you're helping, then, yeah, sorry.
Is this gonna be useful?
Wait, let's get, like, the turnaround of this baby. You know?
This is gonna go horribly.
I know, I can't wait for it.
I know. That's the whole point of this.
It's to go wrong.
No, bitch.
Hang on, wait, Joe. Yeah, wait.
I'm trying.
Okay.
The fact that it's going wrong is why it's going right.
It's meant to go wrong.
I think it's just gonna fire the top off and...
It's gonna fire
Yeah.
the top off and just shoot whoever's over it in the face.
just like...
Honestly, it's probably gonna hit one of us.
Hang on, someone grab, like, the outside. Like, yeah.
Oh, screwed.
And then, like, all the way down.
Probably screwed. It's just gonna go poof.
Right, yeah.
I think I'm the most screwed. I'm wearing white.
Me too.
Hey.
Yeah, but you have it mostly covered. I don't.
I'm just like a blue Power Ranger over here.
I have
like...
leftover nail polish malfunction.
Why do you have nail polish?
Don't ask.
Whoa!
That's cringe.
Yeah, I probably need to not do it with one hand.
Cringe.
Oh my god, you present yourself in a non-masculine manner.
Rach, don't walk in front of the camera.
Mixed race
So
couples.
Cringe.
There you go. This one's the one going on Facebook, so...
Alright. If this snaps, we'll be pretty cringe. Cringe. If it doesn't survive in like 3,000 rubber bands, it's cringe.
It's not 3,000, it's only 210. How many cups have we used?
No idea.
There's 5,
Matthew, where is your
6, 7, 8.
Damn, Matthew.
Alright.
So there's about 80 rubber bands on there, give or take a few because we popped them.
Get on in. Bring it down.
Careful you don't stand in front of the camera, bro. There's the camera over there.
Now the camera's live. Alright, now. Are we ready?
Race. Race. Move on that side.
What the time is? No, I meant like how many we have. Oh, no good.
Gee golly gilligas.
We should have at least thought about this.
Alright, bring it in.
I'll be right back.
Let's go.
If you need a new weight loss program, just buy like 200 rubber bands, you know? If you put on too many, you will explode though. Wind.
I'm gonna stand back here.
You just walk. Oh, gee golly.
Three at a time. We can do 3 at a time. I don't think we can do 10. Let's go.
10 minutes, let's go.
It's only been like. Oh,
It's alright at the moment.
yeah.
It's going down slowly.
The phone beats the DSLR. It's a DSLR, right? Yeah. Cool. How many cups have we used? So 5 plus 3 is 8, so 80. And then give or take some. Can't. Oh, I can't see.
Sorry.
It's alright, Crystal.
It
It's your boy.
Skinny penis.
It's definitely gonna pop.
It's still there. Come on.
I'm proud of you, Kel.
Does it still have the triangle shape?
I don't know.
Or is it like more round now? Because it looks more round.
It probably is more round because it probably just looks that way because of all the rubber bands we stacked on top of it.
True. I mean, from the top it looked a little more triangle-y.
Be careful to get in the way of the camera crash.
Let's go.
You had centralize it, like pull them all down into one area.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey Josh, if it explodes, I'm using my phone to dodge every piece of watermelon.
We've lost count a little while back.
Hang on. Yeah, there's a number of cups.
Yeah, we haven't been doing that. Count the number.
Yeah, I know, but we can...
Count them once we get there, okay?
Just determine the size of the ball.
There is currently about 100 thingies, rubber bands. There's been 10 cups used, so 10 times 10 is 100, so...
Right through the middle.
Keep it round.
Yeah.
You like to fix it. Ready? Yeah.
Just concentrate in one area and just keep going in that one area.
I mean, we did have the marked line around the middle, which we didn't follow. Yeah, we didn't follow it at all.
Look at this fandom here.
Let's go.
I'm gonna stretch.
Campbell, you guys slap it here and there.
Alright.
I mean, if we just, like, drop it on its side, I'm sure it'll fire off.
I'm just thinking, that's my boy.
Who's your daddy?
Oh god. It like pops because it's so angry.
Yeah.
Let's go. This time to two. Oh, God.
Down the middle, remember? Down the middle.
Middle area.
Things you can say in
Good
Overwatch
enough.
and during sex.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Down the middle, down the middle. I'm going in. Get baby diva.
Otherwise that would be very
Start the band. The fact these kids are so close. What if it like shoots up?
The, like, mild mosh pit we've got here is just going to be covered in watermelon.
Alright.
I'm currently at 18 minutes.
You're in the splash zone, but you're the only one not going to get splashed. It's like that one scene from Party with a Chance of Meatballs.
You guys are in my meat shield area.
You're going to jump right behind me as a meat shield.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm walking in front of everyone. I'm sorry.
That's it.
Can I scooch in behind? Wait. Cameraman Sam.
We're speed running this shit, boys.
Remember, down the middle, down the middle.
That's the fun part.
It was a bad idea.
Danger. Torn that fucker? Oh my fucking.
You wanted to speed run?
Yeah, down the middle, down the middle.
I'm not fucking break your fingers.
Ready? Speed run.
I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's...
Not three at a time. Fuck off. Three. That did not work.
Try would do it with me. Let's do this. I ain't afraid of three. Come on.
You guys need an extra pair of hands, it looks like.
Come on, gentlemen. Skyboy! Yes!
We got it, boys!
We got three. Oh.
Now do that like 2 more times and then it'll pop. Stand it up straight. Stand it up straight. Yeah, thanks,
the
Matthew.
Emperor.
Yeah, it's been the knee.
That one's stretched.
Matthew, you're in people's cameras behind you. Behind you.
Right, we
Okay.
got 3, gentlemen. Let's go! Oh, no!
Guys, stop. Pick it up.
Jake, I would laugh if it fell over and just fired into your nuts. Just then.
I would pay for someone to video that.
I mean, I'm videoing it right now. Yes.
Eventually,
This is gonna be a bad idea.
the pressure's starting to get to
How many is that?
How many cups?
That is way too many.
3, 6,
We're not gonna be able to do that. We had a hard time doing 3.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are currently at 150 rubber bands used.
Not enough.
And then like take 10 because they broke.
There's never enough.
Try and get them in the middle, remember? Prioritize getting them in the middle.
Give me more!
Matthew, this is aimed directly at your face.
Okay, 2.
Someone gets having just kind of like
Get
towards.
more valuable props.
Remember, get them in the middle. Get them in the middle. And stand it up straight. Stand it.
Oh, I can actually see it bruising now. Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh god, we're all screwed.
Like, it's gonna start, like, squirting stuff out before it fires. Yeah, like melon juice.
Spaceship, that's gonna just.
Yep.
And who thought this was a good idea?
Yeah, it's fine.
That'd be his fault back there.
Someone dies in the process, it's science.
If someone dies in the process, it's just a good old.
Yeah, it's in the name of science.
Here, like, Oppenheimer needed test subjects.
What is this, Black Mesa?
Here, like, this is Black Mesa. Oppenheimer needed test subjects.
This is such a good college. I love it so much.
It could be better, we could have 7 of these at once.
We could, like,
We could do, like, musical chairs with them.
Oh, we've still got plenty of time.
remember try and, get them low. Get them low. Dude, now I've just got apple-bottom jeans,
guys,
boots with the jeans. No, it's
What did you do at school today? I blew around that with rubber bands.
like, when I first saw it without the rubber bands on, I thought the, like, marker seam was, like, a seam that he had filled with, like, a small explosive. Hang on, can I get up on the chair? No? Okay.
No, it's in a really bad spot.
Can someone help him?
Keep going down. Best I can do.
Right there.
Alright, like, keep going. There's another one right there next to the melon as well.
What's the rest of it? Just this one.
We all want the melon.
Yeah, guys, remember, it's like 2 till melon.
Whoever catches it gets
Whoever catches the...
Whoever catches the part that flies off gets $100.
I was gonna go with the, like, wedding bouquet, where the next ones get married.
Catches it gets married.
Watermelon, yummy.
Watermelon.
Yummy.
Watermelon.
Yummy.
We've officially
Watermelon. Yummy.
Yummy.
Dude, it's...
Oh no!
I can. Oh god, I can.
Wait.
Terrifying.
Yeah, guys. Sorry, I'm in your way. Campbell.
Kill
Yeah.
Coco Melon.
Matthew.
You see the bend.
Why don't you put a couple?
Hang on. Wait. Guys. Alright, never mind. It's alright. Campbell.
You ready? Come on. Oh my god, that's breaking.
Make sure we're out of the way of the
I
camera.
love the sound of watermelon breaking.
I'm just gonna, Matthew, can you do me a solid and, like, scooch back? Because it's about to go. Wow, okay.
We must rise again.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, you can see it. Roll up. You can actually see
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Mama, take me home. Country roads. Guys, we've been here for 24 minutes.
I knew he's. Oh god, it's actually right.
It's actually doing pretty well, considering.
Don't stop now.
You must be good at recording school fights instead of, like,
Anyways.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm telling you it's alright, Matthew. Why must you do this? By the way, whoever leans over it is just gonna get smacked in the face with the top of it.
Careful, lean over for the shot.
Okay, I think we need to like boil it down to like 2 people. Like if we boil it down to 2 people doing it, we can like get all of the cameras on it. Alright, all good.
As soon as we realized this thing is actually beginning to rise, it became a lot less low energy.
Yeah, it really did. Quick, we need a booster of self-esteem, guys.
Someone start playing Don't Stop Me Now.
Don't stop.
Having such a good time.
Having a good time.
Hold on. Oh my god,
Someone want to help me?
yeah. I'm bringing up the music.
Oh!
Still going strong.
I need to bring them down more.
Legitimately did it to me.
This is where it's the fun part.
By the way, I hope you guys know I'm just gonna eat a chunk of watermelon. Like, I'm gonna find the top.
Wave, Sam.
Hello? Can I have... Yeah, wave. Who's playing Don't Stop Me? Matthew, is that you? Yeah, it's Matthew.
Won't you die? He should have went for the head.
How many gigs is the SD card? Is it 16? Yeah, everyone's got glasses on, you know?
He's willing to suffer, it's okay. If he's willing to suffer, it's okay. Come on, Matt, on your eyes.
Oh god.
Keep going! Keep going!
We keep going though.
It's not finished.
How many cups so far? Whoa! It's like spraying out the top. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop.
We're just doing this one at a time now.
Oh, sorry. Okay, never mind. Keep going, keep going! Keep going!
And what are you, a pussy?
Keep going! Quick, quick, quick!
Go on!
No, it's gonna go towards there.
It's like Star Wars.
It's usually not how it goes down. Oh! Oh man, delicious. Hang on, can I like just, you know, grab?
And now we feast.
There is a cut on the other side. We could keep going.
No, we're not going anymore.
No, we're not going.